This is Phoenix of Phoenix Sabers bringing you a new sound font for the Plecter Labs board. This is the sound font for the impossible to make Saber, the Dark Saber, or pre-Vizsla.
This lightsaber was stolen from your Jedi temple. Many Jedi have died upon its blade.
Now, obviously I can't make a Dark Saber because there's no way to make a black blade. And as well, I have modified the hum on this to be it's a higher pitched lightsaber hum with a little bit of feedback inside of it that you're probably not going to be able to hear on the camera. Without further ado, here is the font. The Power On, right from Clone Wars, the 8 swings. I know you love those, I love them too. The clashes. Lockup is standard. The blaster blocks are from Clone Wars, as well as some of his own blaster shots. The force powers, quick force push, and a force repulse. It was very difficult to trigger that because I'm, hitting it out of bed. Anyway, here's the power off and the alternate power on. Thank you very much.